Welcome to Next Level English, where we take your English skills to the next level. Today, we're diving into 35 key grammar questions in our ACT English Quiz Master Series. Get ready to test your knowledge, sharpen your skills, and learn as we go. Let's jump right in. 1. Identify the subject of the sentence. The teacher explained the lesson clearly. Teacher. Tips. The subject is the person or thing performing the action, explaining. 2. Choose the correct form of the adjective. She is the student in the class. Smartest. Tips. For the superlative form of one-syllable adjectives, add est. 3. Choose the correct form of the word. This is the car I have ever driven. Fastest. Tips. The superlative form is used when comparing more than two items. 4. Select the correct conjunction. I wanted to go to the concert. I couldn't get tickets. But. Tips. Use but to show contrast between two ideas. 5. Choose the correct pronoun. Went to the store to buy groceries. They. Tips. They is the subject form of the pronoun. 6th. Choose the correct form of its or its for the sentence. Raining outside. It's. Tip. It's is a contraction of it is. 7. Identify the subject-verb agreement error. The team. Playing well this season. Is. Tip. The subject team is singular. Select the correct pronoun each of the girls brought. Own lunch. Her. Tip. Each takes a singular pronoun. 9. Choose the correct word. The storm had a powerful. On the crops. Effect. Tip. Effect is usually a noun meaning result. 10. Choose the correct conjunction. I studied hard. I passed the test. So. Tip. So connects cause and effect logically. 11. Select the correct comparison. She runs faster than. In her class. Anyone. Tip. Use anyone after comparisons like faster than. 12. Select the correct sentence. Neither John nor Sarah. The prize. Wins. Tip. Neither nor takes a singular verb. 13. Choose the correct tense. By next year, she. Her degree. Will complete. Tip: by next year indicates future perfect tense. 14. Choose the sentence without a misplaced modifier. He missed the bus while running quickly. Tip: the modifier must describe the subject logically. 15. Which sentence uses parallel structure correctly? She enjoys singing, dancing, and drawing. Tip: use parallel structure for lists in a sentence. 16. Which of the following sentences uses a semicolon correctly? I went home, I was tired. Tip: semicolons join closely related independent clauses. 17. Select the correct use of quotation marks. He said, I will help. Tip: place punctuation inside quotation marks. 18. Which sentence uses who correctly? She is the woman who helped us. Tip: who is correct when referring to a subject. 19. Choose the correct use of a colon in the sentence. He needs to buy milk, bread, and butter. Tip: use colons to introduce lists or explanations. 20. Choose the sentence with proper subject-verb agreement. The crowd cheers loudly. Tip: match the subject and verb number correctly. 21. Identify the sentence with correct use of affect or effect. Affect refers to a result. Tip: affect is a noun, effect is usually a verb. 22. Which sentence is grammatically correct? She doesn't like coffee. Tips: remember, the correct form is doesn't with singular subjects like she. 23. Select the correct sentence. We are going to the store. Tips: we takes the verb are in the present continuous tense. 24. Select the correctly punctuated sentence. My brother, who lives in London, is visiting next week. Tips: use commas to set off non-essential clauses. 25. Identify the correct form of the sentence. Neither the teacher nor the students were absent. Tips: when subjects are joined by nor, the verb agrees with the nearest subject. 26. Which sentence is in passive voice? The letter is written by her. Tips: in passive voice, the object becomes the subject of the sentence. 27. Which sentence is correct? They don't have any money. Tips: don't is the correct negative form for plural subjects. 28. Identify the correct sentence. I can sing well. Tips: after can, use the base form of the verb. 29. Choose the correct sentence. He plays the guitar good. He plays the guitar well. Tips: well is the adverb form modifying plays. 30. Which sentence is correct? If I were you, I would apologize. Tips: use were instead of was in hypothetical situations, subjunctive mood. 31. Which sentence uses correct punctuation? Let's eat, Grandpa. Tips: the comma changes the meaning. Without it, it sounds like eating Grandpa. 32. Select the correctly punctuated sentence. The dog barked loudly. The mailman arrived. Tip: use a period to separa. To independent clauses. 33. Which word is a preposition? On. Tips: prepositions usually show direction, place, or time. On shows position. 34. What is the correct comparative form of good? Better. Tips: irregular adjectives like good change form in the comparative, better. 35. Which of the following sentences is grammatically correct? He doesn't like pizza. Tips: doesn't is the correct auxiliary verb for he. Great job, everyone! How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Next Level English for more amazing content to boost your English skills. See you in the next video.